Good to see you all again here at Wealthy Coins. Within 48 hours, the CEO of Shiba Inu uncovered a hidden price pump, presented in outline form. When the price moves in a U-shaped pattern of falling and rising in the first stage, and then quickly moves sideways or downward in the second stage, a cup and handle pattern occurs. It is worth mentioning that the price trend forms in response to a shared resistance level. Once the price breaks over the resistance level, cup and handle patterns usually come to an end. Following a 27% increase to $0.000016 on August 14th, Ishab also did the same. Exactly 48 hours ago, the CEO of Shiba Inu announced a secret price pump, and in this video we'll discuss it, presented in outline form. For more videos like this one, which features expert analysis and pricing predictions for Shiba Inu, be sure to subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. Combining the breakout point with the distance between the pattern's lowest point and the resistance line yields a cup and handle breakout target. Consequently, Ishab might go as high as $0.00002253. Put simply, a 50% increase in price by the end of the year. Aside from a statistic indicating that Ishab's burn rate increased by 825% in a single day, there were no discernible drivers for the 27% intraday price gain on August 14th for Shiba Inu. The value of the incinerated Ishab, however, is just over $4,500. On the other hand, Ishab tokens valued more than $6.36 million have been burned by the Shiba Inu network. The statement that Binance's European payment cards will now support Ishab occurred about 10 days before the Shiba Inu rally. By doing so, the cryptocurrency exchange increased Ishab's exposure to the growing cryptocurrency market in Europe. Since cup and handle setups only managed to hit their profit goals 61% of the time, according to seasoned analyst Tom Bukowski, weak fundamentals could counteract Ishab's technically bullish bias. So if the cup and handle breakout doesn't work, along with a pullback from the 200-day exponential moving average near $0.001755, Ishab I can see an initial decline towards $0.001306, which is 20% below its price on August 14th. Given the token's overbought daily relative strength index, Shiba Inu's cup and handle setup may not work. I should mention that the RSI has over 70, which usually means that there will be a period of consolidation or correction on the sidelines. New signs of strength in the cryptocurrency market might portend a bull run in the near future. Some crypto asset skeptics still don't know what the future holds, even after 2, 3, or 5 years. One asset that has the community worried about its future is Shiba Inu, a popular meme coin. Following a sharp price increase, has restored a market valuation of $7.5 billion. If Ishab has a good day tomorrow, it will be the fourth consecutive positive week. Shiba Inu last experienced such a surge in late September 2021, when it finally reached a record high of $0.00088 After a 23% increase in the past day, Ishab was trading at $0.00001549. As of press time, the Ishab army, staunch supporters of the meme coin, has been waiting patiently for the Shiba Inu bull to act. Recently, Ishab had an ETH price drop of more than 85%. The aforementioned increase, though, improved the atmosphere surrounding it. Recent events involving Shiba Inu are a major contributor to the bull market. When the Shiba Inu financial ecosystem and Shibarium Layer 2 are released, the community will be expecting a lot. Shiba Inu, similar to Ethereum, has problems with network congestion and expensive gas prices. The debut of Shibarium, which intends to speed up and reduce the cost of transactions, is further brought into the spotlight by this. This quarter should see the debut of the Shibarium public beta testnet. On the other hand, Q4 of 2022 is when the metaverse and the Shiba Inu NFT ecosystem are supposed to debut. The top 2,000 Ethereum whales have been aggressively shifting their holdings, according to whale statistics. As of August 13th, These whales have Shiba Inus valued at more than $179.34 million. These equities have undergone a tremendous transformation since August 3, when they were valued at $600 million. This signifies a decline in trust among the community's market maker whales. Profitability for ASHAB investors has skyrocketed, even with the whale factor. Today the MVRV ratio saw a significant increase, maintaining its value at 23.32% according to sentiment. Moreover, this can provide insight on the growing interest among short-term traders in Shiba Inu, as rising prices indicate the possibility of quick returns. Shiba Inu RSI has soared in the past 12 hours, hovering above 90. The asset is now in the extremely overbought zone. A possible interpretation of this is that prices will soon begin to rise again. On the other hand, Shiba Inu investors can sit back and relax, for the trip is the 15th biggest cryptocurrency, according CoinMarketCap. The Shiba Inu made waves in the cryptocurrency world not long ago, when the much-anticipated Bone Farms proposal received a 97.88% vote from the community on June 27, 2022. Along with Shiba Inu, Leash and the Shiba Swap LP token, the Shiba Inu ASHAB ecosystem utilizes Bone as one of its 4 tokens for staking, yield farming, trading and rewards. In July, the cryptocurrency markets showed signs of a minor comeback. Gains from users expecting the March put Ethereum in first place. Not only that, but Bitcoin and other big crypto ventures did the same. The Shiba Inu also made a partial recovery. However, the burn portal at ASHAB was proceeding at full speed ahead. The dead wallet was credited with the destruction of 4.76 billion Shiba Inu tokens in July, as reported by ShibBurn. During 505 separate transactions, the burning occurred. Also, the burning continued until August 1, with 6.6 million Shiba Inu tokens torched in a single transaction. According to the burn portal, 1.3 million tokens were burnt in a separate transaction. Additionally, 32 separate transactions burnt 216,487,142 SHIB tokens in 24 hours. On August 1, according to the burn portal, its release date was April. The supply of SHIB tokens in circulation has been steadily decreasing, because to Shiba Inu's burn portal, the goal here is to make each token more expensive. Still, results have been less than anticipated. So far, the fires have had little effect on the token's cost. The team at Playsight Studios is working together to create the game. The developers have also announced that the game will be playable on both the iOS and Android app stores. In addition, there will be a deluge of releases for the project this year. There is a lot of anticipation for the release of their Layer 2, which is named Shibarium. Another reward token, trait, will be launched by Shiba Inu. They will also introduce a stablecoin named Shibet. The underlying blockchain for Shiba Inu, and associated coins like Bone and Leash, is provided by crypto giant Ethereum, which some analysts believe is tied to Shiba's ascent. After passing a crucial technical test, Ethereum developers recently announced that a long-awaited upgrade to the blockchain would be available as early as mid-September. Monday saw a 1.6% increase in the price of Ethereum, and a 2.5% jump in the price of Dogecoin. 2 more meme coins built on the Ethereum blockchain. 2 new cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, emerged during the last weekend. The return of the retail investor is evident. Alpha Impact's chief executive officer Hayden Yu penned a message on Monday. However, the Shiba Inu's meteoric rise should not be overly interpreted. The